It all started with a vision to build homes and develop communities where value, location, and lifestyle come together.
We realize trust is extremely important when purchasing a new home. Not only have we been in business for over 30 plus years, a lot of the people that work here have been here for many, many years. That really lends itself to a smooth process for all of our customers.
Customers know and expect communication from us, and that's what we deliver every time, all the time.
Our design studios in North and South Carolina provide a one-stop shop so our customers can see, touch, and feel everything that's going to go into their homes.
Our design professionals walk our homeowners through the design process and ensure that all the colors flow nicely and that each home reflects the customer's personal style.
You know, it doesn't matter what we think is great in a floor plan. What matters is what fits your family's lifestyle and your family's needs.
We have an expert warranty staff. As soon as the homeowner moves in, they have peace of mind knowing that if they have any issues, they're taken care of quickly.
Our in-house drafting department allows us to offer a large variety of floor plans and options for customers to choose from.
If the new home build process or the timing just doesn't work, we offer many move-in ready homes throughout all of our neighborhoods.
Streamlined processes and teamwork are at the heart of everything we do.
We focus on every step and making sure we get it right 100%.
All of our communities have furnished model homes in them so that you can meet with a builder specialist and figure out what floor plan meets your lifestyle needs the best.
We value your time, and we know that a new home is a big decision. Whether you're building or whether you're buying, we're here to make the process easy and fun.
We'd love for you to come see us, and we'd love the opportunity to build your new home here at Logan Homes.